Hi, welcome to Know It Olly ELI5s, the stock market. So the stock market is made up of a large number of hubs in almost every country in the world that are designed to connect buyers and sellers globally. These hubs or exchanges are privately owned companies that make those buyer-seller connections. They all have their own pros and cons. Some are larger, some are smaller, some are expensive, some are cheap, some restrict who can use them and who can't. The New York Stock Exchange is one of the largest. That means that if you're looking for a good number of quotes to look at buying or selling your stock, you know that you'll get a large number of offers coming from the New York Stock Exchange. The TSX, for example, is the Canadian Stock Exchange, which deals in Canadian stocks. The IEX exchange, I think, is probably one of the most important that's popped up in the last few years. They've specifically come out, and their goal and attempt is to combat foul play within the markets with a promise of fair and transparent operations. So far, they've been doing a pretty good job. However, some brokers and market makers have been pretty unhappy with it. They've actually been taken to court a number of times because it messes with certain market operations of large businesses and it's being detrimental to them. Other brokers are claiming to route through IEX for their customers. However, it turns out that it goes to a different location before going to the IEX. So if you're making trades, know that you are allowed to choose which exchange you go to through your broker for the most part. Check to see if they have IEX, and then find out if the IEX goes direct from the broker there, or if it's being routed through another company before it gets there. That is a very simple ELI5 on the stock market and exchanges. Know It Olly out.